What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So I have these desert clocks for over a year now, and I decided to make an update video of it, show you guys how its condition look. Now I did do a video of this already on my channel, an unboxing, and over a year later I still have it right here. This is condition that it is in, as you guys can see, and I'm still rocking this to go most of my events. I wear this most of the time, like for going out casual, and it fit perfectly, and the condition is really good. And how I clean this, because some of you might ask why I keep it in this good condition, is that what I normally use is just brush and water. I normally like brush it out with my brush and just keep it clean. So whenever I like wear it, go out, I normally comes in and just brush it out, brush out most of the dust from out of it, as you can see, and it's pretty solid. Did me a really good job having this so long. I take really good care of it, and yeah, and just want to share it with you guys. So the update of this right here and how it lasts, like for if you have this, can serve a long while, and I sure it can serve many more years. And I've wear this a lot of time. I wear this go to most time when I'm going out, just like casual wear, and even for some special function like weddings and so forth. And it fit really good. I love the condition of it right here, as you can see. Let's try it on. And I'm gonna keep my lace like that. I don't really tie it or anything. And this is how it look over an year later, looking really neat, just the same, as you guys can see right there. I'm loving this right here. This is one of my best purchase in shoes, and I will buy this again, and it fit really perfect. I'm loving this. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Just my little update right here of this pan crabber, I should say in Jamaican version. Yeah, desert clocks, looking really great. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys find this video very helpful. See you guys in my next one. Peace out.